So I'm about to get my hair done and my phone is about to die, so I may not be able to vlog it, but you will get to see the finishing product when I charge it. So I just finished my hair. So take that off. This is how my hair is looking. Probably give you a better view. But it's just 6 braids and like the little tiny ones in the middle, in between each of them. Good morning. Off work this morning, and I'm not gonna go back into the hospital until Friday. To make some breakfast. Somebody's supposed to be calling me back on an apartment tour. I'm supposed to be doing a FaceTime apartment tour, so I'm waiting for them to call me back about that. Apparently they forgot because it's supposed to be at 11 and it's 11:20 right now. I'm also trying to see if I could find a nail tech out here in like the DMV area, preferably DC, so that way I can like do my nails after work. So I found somebody on Instagram and I was DMing her earlier this morning. I saw that she responded yesterday, but I didn't get any notifications, so I was just DMing her back. And she's not too far from the hospital that I'm at. So yeah, and also I want to get my eyelashes done and get a wax and all that good stuff that us women been feeding for since quarantine. I just put my mask on, so I'm walking to the nail salon. Hopefully the line is not long. It's like 11:30 and I think they just opened. So after that, I'm gonna go next door to T-Mobile because I have a discount on my phone plan through my job. So I'm gonna see if I can use that. Guys, this is like the hardest part. Picking a nail color.
If you do jelly, next time you change the color easy, you know?
So this is the gel color?
Yeah.
Okay, oops, sorry, thank you. Okay, so I had a fall color last time I did my nails. I feel like I want to do another fall color, but I want to have it like in a range of different colors, like different shades of nudes. So I don't know if she has any brown. Let's see. So I opt to get oval nails, and I'm going to get 2 color gel nail colors. I'm going to get the number 7, and I'm going to get number 77.
Give me 1 minute.
Okay. So these are my nails. I wanted the vision of it having like different shades of nudes, but I didn't like how Shorty did my nails. It's shaped like uneven. Like some of them are better shaped than the rest. Like this thumb right here is slanted. And I'm telling Shorty and she's like, I know. Whatever. I felt like I was rushed and I was like the only one there. Or like 2 of the people that were there, but whatever. I don't think I'm going back there again. And I told her, I was like, can I get like different colors? I wanted like different shades of nudes. And she was like, yeah, I could give you 2. And I'm like, in my head, I'm like, I'm paying you for different colors. Like, what's the problem? So another customer came and she was like, oh, my brother's gonna paint you. And she called the other customer to get her gel filling or whatever. I felt like I was being rushed. I don't know why. Like there's nobody in the store. So he was painting my nails and I was like, oh, can I get like different shades of nudes? And he was like, yeah, you can get whatever color you want. I'm like, thank you. Well, in my head, I'm like, thank you. So he painted for me, but I don't know. Like I have a love-hate relationship with nail salons. There's other conditioners, deep conditioners, or deep treatment mask, I should say. Again, from Shea Moisture. And then I got like 2 face masks and 1 foot mask. So I just picked these up. So this is what I got from Target. I I also picked up some wine. This is the Yellowtail Riesling and the Yellowtail Pink Style. Alright, so I just came back from the supermarket. I bought some stuff to meal prep with. So I bought like 2 bags of these steamed grab-and-go vegetables, as well as some baby spinach. And as far as my protein goes, I got some shrimp again, and I picked up some turkey. I have some asparagus here. I have my Chobani mixed Greek yogurt. And then I also have some Planters, Planters cashews, and I picked up some Uncle Ben's ready rice. Yo, these type of rice, this brand of rice is so good, especially the I think the basmati one and the Spanish style one is so good. Just warming up some shrimp and some spinach that I had sauteed earlier, and now I'm like really hungry. I haven't really eaten that much today. I'm just gonna have the last bit of my shake that I made this morning. It says my protein, but it's Herbalife in here. So yeah, this shaker cup was from my protein that I got like last year. But yeah, so I'm just going to unpack them, put them in the fridge, and I don't know, like I want to film something. I think I might film my Amazon haul like really quickly, because I feel like I haven't filmed in a while because I'm like so busy with work. But I mean, that's not an excuse, like, you know. Thank you. Oh no, thank you. Sure. Thank you. Is that the Thank you. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday. Whoa. He's like, y'all suck. Thank you. I was the only one singing. Oh yeah, so cute. You made 30, what? Like 25. Bye. Bye. You are old hat now. I know. Oh, damn. 30 and over. 30 and over. Oh, yeah. Oh, at least they brought everyone's car up close. Oh, the 6, yeah, Capricorn. Yes, girl. So, whatever dinner. Oh. Oh, sorry. Nice meeting you. All right, you too. Bye. Get home safe. Boy, that's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 8 a.m. in the morning, Sunday morning. I'm just waiting for the car to warm up. As you can see, it's like quite foggy. I'm about to meet up with a friend in Virginia. We're about to go to Scottsruntrail, I think it is. It's like a hiking trail that people usually go to. So this is my first time hiking.
I don't want to hold us. So you're going to write on your leaf what you're letting go. Either what you're letting go or an affirmation. And then you could just we're going to at the same time let it slide. Or you can crumple it up. Okay. So.
As a group activity for today on this hike, we're going to write on this leaf like what we want to fly away and what to let go. So she's looking for some more leaves for us to write on. And I just have this permanent marker, so I'm just gonna write what I want to like let go, which is probably everything in the past, because I don't have anything specific, just whatever that's in the past that I want to let go. And I just thought this was really cute.
Okay, no rush. You on the phone in the back.
Dog.
Look up, Sarah. So pretty. I know in the summer people be all over.
I honestly was trying to go right there. That's why. Right here, take a picture, but
You want us to
negative.
take a picture of you?
Yo, guys, I almost lost my life. I fell right in this area. I slipped down. Right in this area trying to get a close-up video and picture of this waterfall. Oh my god, my butt hurts. I think I fell like right on the corner of this rock. I'm good. Chicken, beef, and a shrimp one, please. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm kind of basically done for the Sunday. I'm gonna get ready for the week. I don't go back to work until Wednesday. Tuesday, I have my second orientation seminar from 8 to 12, and that's about it. If you hear any noise in the background, it's clothes drying in the dryer. So I have some clothes drying in the dryer right now. If you hear any cooking, I kind of pretty much prepped for the week for the most part. I bought some string beans that I probably might have to go and stir up and season up and steam and eat probably with my shrimp and some asparagus and spinach that I have here. I'm just gonna probably end this vlog off right here on this note. I have a video coming soon with my apartment tour, as well as me shopping for my apartment and what stores and what kind of ideas I have in mind for my apartment, as well as my orientation update for work, and I have a fall lookbook. So I have 3 videos coming up, and if you would love to see how they come out, just click that notification bell so you won't miss any of the videos. And I'm still doing a giveaway. When I meet 1,000 subscribers, I'm still doing a giveaway. So that's not happening. I've just been really kind of off. I'm still waiting for my new camera to come in, or me saving up to get my new camera, so that way I could do more vlogging and whatnot. And I'm still contemplating if I'm doing a vlogmas, because I will be moving in November 27th, so the day after Thanksgiving. But usually I know with a vlogmas, it starts like in the beginning of December, so I don't know if I'm gonna get my camera then. But that's just me thinking out loud. But anyway, bye bye guys, see you later.